Digital transformation and industrial IoT promise the potential to transform organizations into digitally intelligent enterprises. But projects remain complex to implement because the industrial field is diverse, distributed, and dynamic. At Atomiton, our mission is to change the future of industries by using advanced digital platforms to optimize industrial operations. Today, Atomiton's IIoT operating stack is powering solutions worldwide in oil and gas, smart cities, energy and utilities, construction, chemical processing, and manufacturing. These solutions create operational efficiencies for the core pillars of industries: assets, infrastructure, energy, people, products, and supply chain. Reduce energy consumption and peak demand, increasing operating margin and lowering environmental footprint using artificial intelligence. Protect remote infrastructures such as pipelines and stations, improving reliability, compliance, and quality of services with edge computing. Digitize the industrial field, turning remote and analog meters and instruments into digital data streams with inline machine learning. Add intelligence to existing assets and increase productivity by managing asset health, location, utilization, and predictive maintenance needs. Automate complex supply chain scheduling and logistics in ports and terminals, maximizing throughput and minimizing wait times. Bring progress predictability to complex engineering, procurement, and construction projects using real-time digital process representation. Ensure field personnel safety and health using personal protective systems with multi-sensor edge intelligence. Atomiton's IoT operating stack, also known as A-Stack, creates an end-to-end digital platform that powers the digital enterprise. Our proven solution has been deployed in over 23 countries across 4 continents, impacting millions of lives. We connect, digitize, and integrate data from across sensors, devices, and existing systems. As a software platform, we are hardware agnostic and can integrate with any sensor, system, or network. Leveraging edge computing, we turn this data into real-time operational intelligence. With digital models that continuously learn, predict, and optimize. Software-based artificial intelligence and unique analytics capabilities look at past, present, and future to deliver contextual operations intelligence in real time, incorporating operational policies and constraints. We orchestrate actions and processes across multiple applications, systems, and devices, and automate actions that enable operations teams to work smarter. Our software is flexible enough to incorporate new inputs or data sources, support new applications or use cases, and easily accommodate changes or updates in operations. The architecture supports an edge-to-cloud strategy with intelligence that bridges the gap between IT and OT. With Atomiton, realize return on investment quickly. Our customers have seen their energy costs cut by 20%, asset utilization increased by 20%, overtime reduced by half, and compliance incidence rates decreased by 60%. Find out more about how we power digital enterprises in cities around the world. Contact us to learn more about how we can bring proven industrial IoT value with real-time intelligence, prediction, and optimization to your operations with our end-to-end digital platform.